So, today we're doing a deep dive into someone truly remarkable, Judge Frank Caprio. Sadly, he passed away just recently, August 20th, 2025.
Yeah, a real loss. He became known everywhere, didn't he? The nicest judge in the world.
Exactly. His courtroom somehow became this global thing. So, our mission today is to sort of unpack that journey, from really humble roots to this judicial philosophy all about compassion, and really explore how he showed that justice, well, it can actually be human.
It's a powerful idea.
Let's start with those roots. Providence, Italian-American family, parents selling fruit from a pushcart. I mean, that's about as working class as it gets.
Oh, absolutely. And that's not just like a biographical detail. It's key.
How so? How do you think that shaped his view from the bench?
Well, think about it. He wasn't just reading about hardship. He worked as a dishwasher, shined shoes. He said himself it gave him this extraordinary ability to view the world from the perspective of others.
Ah, okay, so he knew it firsthand.
Right. He understood the struggle behind, a simple parking ticket for someone barely getting by. That wasn't abstract for him. It directly fed into his leniency, especially towards people without many resources.
And that perspective, eventually, the whole world got to see it, but not right away. His TV show, Caught in Providence, it actually started way, way back, right? Like 1988.
Yeah, local access for decades. Just doing its thing in Rhode Island.
So what happened? How did this local show suddenly explode, globally around 2017?
It's fascinating, isn't it? Those video clips hit the internet and boom, millions and billions of views.
Wild.
I think what it really shows is this kind of global hunger for something positive, something that, pushes back against all the cynicism we see.
Yeah, there's a lot of that.
Exactly. And his courtroom, his approach, it offered this emotional relief, a little bit of hope, maybe, in government and institutions. People were clearly searching for that.
He had that great line, I don't wear a badge under my robe, I wear a heart.
Perfect summary.
And you saw it in his style, that mix of, folksy humor, but real empathy. Inviting kids up to the bench. I mean, who does that?
Right. It wasn't just about being nice, though. It was a deliberate choice.
What do you mean?
He was consciously rethinking the court's purpose. It wasn't just about punishment or, frankly, revenue from fines. It was about the community's well-being.
Okay, yeah.
Think about those examples that went viral. The Vietnam vet, ticket dismissed out of sheer respect.
I remember that one.
Or the mother, grieving her son, hundreds in fines, just waived because he saw her pain. It wasn't random kindness. It was seeing the human being behind the infraction, prioritizing that.
And that compassion, it didn't just stay in the courtroom, did it? He took it further.
Absolutely. Into philanthropy. He set up the Antonio Tup Caprio Scholarship Fund that was for his dad.
Wow.
Yeah, his father only had a fifth-grade education. So this fund helps law students who want to do legal aid, help underserved communities. Real impact there.
That's fantastic.
And then, more recently, the Philomena Fund, named for his mother. That one directly helps people pay off traffic tickets.
So he's tackling the systemic side, too. He spoke about unequal access to the justice system, right?
He did. It shows his compassion wasn't just, personal feelings. It was a statement about fairness, about trying to level the playing field a bit.
The reaction to his passing really showed his reach. Tributes from all over the world, China even. Our own governor here in Rhode Island called him a Rhode Island treasure.
He really was. And, his final public act, that Facebook message from the hospital, just asking for prayers.
Yeah, very moving.
It just reinforced everything, didn't it? His humility, his faith, it kind of cemented that legacy as this beacon of hope, a reminder of shared humanity.
Definitely. So when you step back, Judge Caprio's legacy, it's so much more than just being famous online. It's a model for public service, really. He showed that institutions, even courts, which can seem so cold, they can be places of kindness, places that inspire a bit of faith.
A rare thing these days.
It really is. So maybe the thought to leave you with is this. In a world that often feels, pretty cynical, what's one small act of compassion inspired by Judge Caprio that you could bring to your own corner of the world?